A lot of accounting firms lose clients without knowing it. The reason is not price, it is their website. Let's fix that. If your site loads slow, feels dated, or hides your call to action, people leave in seconds. On mobile, patience is even shorter. Your site must load fast, look clean, and point to one clear next step. Aim for fast load times and a mobile-friendly layout. Keep the top menu short. Use plain labels. Put one bright button in the hero that says what happens next. For example, schedule a free consultation. Add named testimonials and 2 short case studies. Show your CPA and partner logos. Real faces and real stories build trust fast. Write helpful posts that answer common questions. Give each page one clear topic and a simple meta title and description. Link related pages together so visitors in Google can follow the path. Complete your Google business profile, collect real reviews, and add location pages. Use a short form and a simple booking calendar so visitors can act right away. Use Google Analytics 4, GA4, to track when visitors fill out a contact form or make a call. This helps you see how many people are reaching out. Check session replays each week to watch real visitors using your website. You can see where they click or if they get stuck. Find one friction point, like a confusing form or slow page, and fix it. This will make it easier for clients to get in touch. Want a faster, clearer site that turns clicks into calls? Book a free website conversion audit with MarketinGear. Get an action plan in plain English.